المشاهدين، كما عودناكم في برنامجكم الأسبوعي برنامج إماراتي. أنا صديق لكم خيرة من دولة الإمارات العربية المتحدة، ولهذا الأسبوع قصة نجاح تتكلم من الصين السيد خالد وينغ، المدير التنفيذي والمؤسس لشركة ألماسا في إمارة القرى.
It was 2004, I came here, and then I just graduated from the school. That moment, because I'm an idealist, it's hard for me to find an opportunity in China, so I came here. That moment, I like, it's young actually, it's very young that moment.
27 years old.
Yeah, 27 years old.
Okay.
Now I stay here 20 years now.
MashaAllah. Yeah. Mr. Khalid, you come 2004 to find opportunity. You were searching for the job, it was not easy. After you find the first work, right?
Yes.
Let us to know about your journey, how it was moving, your whole journey that.
Yeah, that moment, you know, my English even not good. Even I cannot talk to taxi driver, you know.
Okay.
But finally, I tried a lot. I print out my CV. I print a lot of CV to different computer shop, different shop. I give them, I'm from China. I know the Chinese supply chain. I can find a good supply. A lot of, you know. Somebody called me, but they need Arabic speaker.
Okay.
Yeah, so it's very hard. So I spent all the money. And then finally I found one company, Unimix.
Okay.
Yeah. So they now, Unimix today, they come to our customer. We have water treatment for them. Yeah, they bought not more than one time. And then when I go there, he said, "You from where?" "I'm from Unimix." I'm from Unimix. Yeah. Okay. So that in that Unimix, I saw they have a lot of wastewater. And then that moment, they take it by tanker. So I think, why not to reuse the wastewater?
Reduce, yeah.
Yeah,
okay.
to reuse, to treat it and then reuse. So from 2006, I started for this wastewater.
Let us to know also about Almasa Environmental Solution, what you are doing here.
Yeah, we do. Now we focus on the wastewater treatment. We have two core technology. One is MBR.
Okay.
We're really proud to be the first manufacturer of the MBR membrane.
MashaAllah.
Yeah, in the UAE, as I said, previously only the European, the American, and then Japan, they can do similar product. Because that, the cost is very high. It's not easy to promote, to spread this technology.
Right.
Now, since we made in UAE, our cost is lower, and then our design department, everything is here locally. So we can fast respond the customer demand. So make it really growing up very fast.
You are the person who you was thinking about sustainability from the first time you come to UAE. Let us to know more. What's make you to think about the sustainability? What's make you to be more eco-friendly? What's make your mind on this way? How the idea it's come to you?
Yes. This because the early life, when I childhood, I'm from a very poor family. You know, when even we don't have electricity, we use a lamp. I'm studying for lighting. My mom always tell me, make slowly, make small of the lighting. Don't waste the oil. Don't make huge lighting. Make minimum as long as you can read it.
Okay.
So that give us that
Mentality.
the mentality and concept and then this culture for cherish all the resource. Yeah, because in the globe, in our planet, the resource is limited.
Right, the resource very limited.
Yeah, it's limited. We have to think about the limited resource to cherish, use that, don't waste. So this come to all in my mind for the sustainability.
MashaAllah.
Yeah, this is beginning.
Let us know about the first business you started. How you started the first business?
Yeah, it's in the labor camp.
Okay.
I was living in the labor camp. I said to the people, okay, can we provide some service for them? So I bought the machines, the washing machines. A lot of people, they borrow my washing machines. They say, Khalid, I can use the washing machines. Okay, no problem, you can use, you're my friend.
Sure.
yeah, so a lot of people come and say, I have problem now. So in that case, I'm searching some device can control the usage.
Use water, right?
Yeah.
Reduce it.
Yeah, reduce it like that. So that's come to my first business. And then, alhamdulillah, still we are proud to say this is the first we do in the UAE market.
Alhamdulillah.
Yeah, now it's come to a totally different industry now.
Right.
But still we are the leading of this industry. We are very
And
proud.
how you come with the idea of Almasa?
The idea of Almasa is the name. We make the name that Almasa is diamond, right?
Right.
Yeah, we should be pure, we should be pure. In my mind, the diamond should be pure, right? Yeah, pure water or your pure ideas or our, sustainability of this idea to be pure. Don't have to focus only on some industrial or some field can make big money, we go to other one.
Right.
So for us to focus, this is focus on the sustainability. Besides this, we are also try some other
Innovation.
Innovation or some other project, such as using the waste to resource, as the experiment. So for us, is that only we do sustainability. If anything is not sustainable, we're not involved in anything.
Right.
Yeah. So this come to our name to be pure idea or pure purpose like that.
Okay. And what you are doing today in Almasa?
In Almasa, we focus now for the wastewater recycling. Yeah. So actually, I'm really sad that the people they're still using tanker. We're not happy with the tanker. They just deliver the wastewater from one place to other place, and then they spend a lot of cost.
Right. They spend cost, petrol for not friendly with the sustainability,
and
employees,
exactly,
many things.
Exactly.
Okay.
And then our motto always we say, wastewater is not a waste until it's wasted.
Right.
So wastewater is not waste when you dispose the waste. Yeah. So this is come to our idea. So we focus the wastewater treatment, always develop the technology to study how to make it simple, how to make the wastewater to be lower cost. Yeah, how to make the running cost to be lower, and then can benefit whoever the people who are going to use the equipment. Yeah, so this we focus, and we have other patent technology.
Okay.
For the alkaline water. For the alkaline, generally is using for the precast and then ready concrete, like mix company.
Right, yeah.
This come from
And
Unimix.
some cutting for the cutting, yeah, right.
Yeah, this come from Unimix. Previously the people, traditional idea, the wastewater pH very high is alkaline water, right?
All right.
And then the traditional idea is to put acid inside, right? To put acid to make neutralized. And then beginning we also do the same. But one day we have problem that we cannot reduce the TDS. We cannot reduce the TDS.
How?
Yeah, how to reduce the TDS? So I started studying. Finally, I found out we use gas. We use CO2 gas. So the CO2 gas, it is somehow, we call that, is very soft is very soft acid. So we put the CO2 gas inside, and then that can be replacement of the acid, and then can get many benefits actually. The next time if this VTEX, I want to apply a forum to presentation our patent technology. Yeah.
And reuse it. In which way we can reuse it? In which way we can use this water after what the technology you are approving it to clean it and to give it back as a clean water?
Yeah.
How we can use we can use it for normal our life, like washing and take shower with it. We can use it for our gardens. We can use it for our clothes cleaning. How we can use it?
Right now, most of the usage for our wastewater treatment after treated water is used for irrigation, and then used for the toilet flush, and then used for the industrial purpose. Some people they make industrial, no need pure water for industrial. Some like concrete mixer, no need. And then the other biggest usage is for the cooling tower. Yeah, the people make AC.
Right.
They need the water to make evaporate, to reduce the
temperature.
Yeah, the temperature. Yes, exactly. Actually, by our MBR technology, we can make the water from sewage to drinking water. We make MBR membrane. After MBR, we can make RO. After the RO process, I can drink the water.
Wow.
Yeah, really I drink. I have some video, some customer visit our project in the site. He asked me, Khalid, this water good or no good? I take the water, I drink it, still I have video. But we trying to apply, apply permit from the government. If you go to the water, if you take the water to the laboratory give you the water, it is even more purified than the drinking water. But still now we need the permission from government.
Right.
We're trying to apply one temporary permission for some remote area who is really cost for the labor, taking shower. This is can't use for the shower. But now government, they don't give permission.
Okay, I get it.
Yeah.
And also about the bacteria
Yeah.
and the waste from the water, how we use it also that.
Yeah, see, this is the core function or the core advance of the MBR. The MBR have two functions. One is for the filtration. They have 0.1 micron of the accuracy, 0.1 micron. So can totally remove the suspended solid. Yeah, this number one. Number two is can stop the bacteria pass through the membrane, the filtration, So the bacteria will be continue stay in the reactor, will be not flowing with the treated water. So we generally don't use disinfection of the treated water. We not use, but some customers they also use some chloride to make disinfection. Anyway, simply to say, the bacteria will be not in the treated water after the MBR treatment process.
Khalid, if I talk about your success and about your journey, mashallah, you go to many different industries also. And you have some other businesses for the technology, which you show
for
me.
years.
And I want you to also present it to our people about it.
Yeah, all my life I'm drive, or I also love all engineering technologies. I study everything. By the way, my major in the university, my major subject is food stuff. It's food industrial. Yeah. So we learn bacteria, we learn protein, the nutrition. This is my major. But after that, I learned all the, the electric, the auto control technology, and then, for many years, I always thinking and studying what's the advanced technology can be bring benefit in the local market. Yeah, as said by Bill Gates, how to reduce the green field. So every day we are thinking about some technology. For me, I have, we call that accuracy, right?
Accuracy, right.
I want to know everything, what's the working principle? Yeah, the AC, how the gas come to liquid, how the liquid come to gas from the compressor or condensing. I study everything. Yeah. But now I'm getting a little bit old, maybe I'm not ready.
No, mashallah.
I ask my engineer, how is this working principle? Can possible we can do some little bit modified, can be suitable for the UAE market. Yeah, because UAE market, this cost. Can we reduce the cost?
Right.
Even now, we're doing what? We're doing what? From the sludge, because our water, when we make the water treatment process, we almost zero chemical in the water process.
That's what surprised me.
Yeah, there's no chemical, no sedimentation, no flocculation, clarification, no. And then we think about the sludge from the organic waste.
Right.
So I'm thinking, so can we use it for organic fertilizer? Like that. So we set up a branch in Sharjah right now. Mm-hmm. Yeah. In Sharjah we make one experiment project from the sludge to organic fertilizer. Mm-hmm. And then from the a lot of food waste, we're trying to make it like biogas or some food waste from fish market. Mm-hmm. This for protein. The people cut the fish head. I said, why you do it? We make dryer and we make protein and then can be animal feed. This we are trying to do that. And also there's some, a lot of the people, they are making the, what we call the wood waste, the wood from the community. Mm-hmm. They cut the tree, the trees, destroy it. Yeah. And then we are going to make it charcoal for barbecue. To make charcoal.
Charcoal, yeah.
First you make grinder to make it like powder. Mm-hmm. After put in the stove or something like that.
Okay.
And then make charcoal. We are trying
without gas also it can be or.
Can be. Once you heat up the wood itself give you gas. Yeah. You heat up the wood. At the beginning, you give some gas, heat up the wood. Right. The wood itself gives some gas and heat himself. Again,
how do you keep your mind busy with these things? How do you have always the patience of that?
I'm somehow, I'm not happy. I'm always worried about that. The crisis, the climate crisis. Last few months in UAE, big rain.
Right.
Big rain.
Last year, yeah.
Yeah, not this year, April or March.
Right.
Yeah, there's big rain. This is when we talk about climate changing, we talk about global warming. Actually, it's not only warming. It's only get hot. It's not really hot. The issue is not hot. It's changing. It change everything. It's come to make very, very extremely weather. Like every year now, the floods, the big water, big rains come to like that. This somehow we think about, our civilization come today is like maybe 2 million or 3 million of our civilization. If we're not taking care,
right.
Yeah, maybe big problem for our civilization. After that, you cannot find any life in any other planet. This is our consideration, that. Really.
MashaAllah, I saw many certificates, many awards from different government offices or from private companies.
Yes.
Let us to know more about the certificates.
Yeah, we most proudly is our patent for the water treatment. As I said just now that for the alkaline water, the traditional idea, the people, they put acid inside. Two types of acid. One is hypochlorite acid. Mm-hmm. Yeah, another one is sulfuric acid. They need some, acid to make neutralization, to make neutralized.
Okay.
After neutralized, you put chloride inside the water. You have sulfate inside the water. It's not easy to remove it. Mm-hmm. And then the acid is very strong acid. The pH always jumping. Yeah.
Up and down, yeah. The
Yeah,
numbers,
up and down, up and down. So
indicator.
we found it. This very soft or very weak acid is CO2. Alhamdulillah, we put CO2 in the water. Yeah, and then our invention is it's not only the CO2, because CO2 in the water is a common science, right?
Sure.
We opened our technology is because we put CO2 without the CO2 long way from the water. This is our technology, yeah. And also now it's come to second generation, third generation now. Yeah, Alhamdulillah, this is GCC patent.
Alhamdulillah.
Yeah, we're really proud for that.
I saw your future plan, which you are planning to have another
the
factory,
second phase. Yeah, second phase.
inshallah,
Yeah,
second
yeah.
phase here soon, inshallah. Let us to know and let us to our followers to know more about your future plan. What you are planning for the next 5 years?
Yeah, the next 5 years, of course, we will come to more than double size. You know, in the office there, we are not happy with the office. It's not really good design. In that, the second phase we will make better. And then, as we know that in Saudi, other countries, just same like previously UAE, they use tanker.
Right.
So we want to use our localized production, localized service team, design teams to reduce the cost of the wastewater treatment. Yeah, to make lower cost. So more people can share in the success of the locally product, can make them easily to reuse their water, can use the treated water.
Are you proud today for the product what you are providing or the services under United Arab Emirates and made in UAE?
Yeah, really, we are really proud for that. This is the first time in the Middle East, which is the high technology, really designed, produced, manufactured here in the UAE. We're really proud for that.
Right.
And we also really appreciate, we get many support of the local government.
Alhamdulillah.
Yeah, and then to really provide equal opportunity for all the nationality, really.
Khalid, today we would like to know more about your staff and about your people who work with you. How you choose them and what the relation between you and your employees?
Yes, I'm happy to share that. You know that when I was working for other company, I don't want anyone be Khalid, do this. I want somebody to respect me and then to say, Khalid, use your mind to do whatever your idea like that. So in this case, I always give our staff encouragement and taking care of them. We always say there's a family behind each of our staff.
Right.
So from the staff, they need to have commitment. So once you have commitment to your family, so you work properly for your work. So you think important, you do everything safety.
Right.
Safe, yeah. And then you do all the things carefully and then promote like that. And then that from the company side, we taking care most of the staff, and then we encourage them to get progress and get
better in their life.
And then we even have have a small laboratory, right?
Probably, yeah.
Yeah, we have books. We have books.
They can
Yeah,
read them.
anyone they read books and then you share, you make presentation. Oh, today or this week I read the books. I want to share what I had learned. We have bonus for them. We pay him bonus. I always ask the HR to implement this policy. This is our regulation in our company. Yeah, and then the small laboratory in downside in the ground floor. Yeah, but in future we will make it bigger.
Yeah. Inshallah.
You know the most the most important thing is the people's brain. Yeah. The people's brain is most
useful.
Yeah, useful. Yes, they have wise. Even somebody. Sorry, I talk something more.
Let's take your
Even
time.
somebody they are really not educated, but maybe they have talent. Only due to their family, did not get good educated. So we want to discover what's their talent? We can't say talent, right?
Right.
Yeah, we discover their talent, put him in some position to use his intelligence in his, you know.
And today, Khalid, what you will say for the people who believe on your vision, who trust you? What's your message to these people? And can we know these people also?
Yeah, we, of course, there are a lot of customers. Yeah, they, you know, from beginning we are small, and then after that they choose Almasa. As I said, you know, when we talk about the customer, what the choice is, they're very rational, right? They make rational choice. They choose Almasa. It's based on the trust, you know that. So my message to all our customers or all our, you know, like partnerships, yeah, to tell them that go to the right direction, go to the right direction. Success become to a byproduct. We can say byproduct. Yeah, go to the right direction. Yeah, continuously focus, and then the success finally will come. It will become the byproduct. Right? Yeah, this is my message to our partner.
And for the young generation, what you will advise them from your experience, from your mashallah success, what you get it today?
Yeah, I really, no, I'm getting old now, right?
Mashallah, 47, you are still in your best time of life.
But most of our staff really, they are young generation. Yeah, young generation. I told them not be short sighted. Think about long time or long way like that. To be, you know, focused on some field. Yeah, don't to be get nervous for the success. Again, I said, if you always focus for some field or some direction, always come to success. You know that. And then, of course, I want them to have this concept of the sustainability. I like to them to think about sustainability. There will be an opportunity.
Sustainability very important for our generation.
There will be a many opportunity for your success. Yeah, if you focus on that. Yeah.
Let us know why you changed your name to Khalid. What do you like in UAE?
When at the beginning I come to UAE, I found out most of the people were very friendly to me. Yeah, and then I tell them that I want to learn this Arabic, I want to learn this Islamic. The people, they help me, and then they give me the name, Khalid. Yeah, and then I've been the Khalid for almost 20 years. It's come to my brand now, you know that. Yeah, you know, we have to keep my reputation of this Khalid, my name, that we do what we had said. Yeah. When you said something, it's come to your promise.
Right.
Yeah, so the name Khalid is a brand now come to now. Yeah,
what you will say for your family, for your wife, for their support, for their belief on you?
Appreciate
I'm
for
sure
them.
You are busy all the time.
Yes, yes, appreciate, really thankful for them to support us for all the side. You know, when we're doing the sustainability project, even the water treatment beginning, we put some experiment in the house. My first experiment in the kitchen for the gas technology in the kitchen, and then they support us. We make a lot of, even we make solar in the house. We make a lot of, you know, even for the fish farm in the house, make small size in the house. They support us. You know, they support to make plants. We make plants. We make, you know, plant factory. We call that plant factory. We make, we call that hydroponic. Yeah, hydroponic. The fish in the water, pumping the water to the plant, and then no need fertilizer, and no need change the water. Of course, in the house, my family support us. Yeah, Alhamdulillah, we appreciate for the family for their support. Yeah.
Last advice for the people who are planning to come to invest in United Arab Emirates.
Yeah, that I've been here in the 20 years in the UAE. I really found out this country is really open. It's really open to all nationality. and then they provide equal opportunity for all the people. Since if you have good project, or if you're working hard, or if you have good idea, good technology, come to UAE to be a startup company, yeah, or to be set up like manufacturing or trading company. This is really, really good for all nationalities, especially for China, I'm sure. Yeah, this I want to see the people. I even write articles in my blog. I was the same like you, but different platform.
I got you.
I introduce them here. We have cheaper labor cost compared to other country, and the water supply, the electricity supply very stable, and then the land also very cheap, and then the government, the society, the political is very stable. It's not like other country, and then of course, the very good relationship with China. Right? Yeah, and then they not create problem for anything, not involved for other big issues like that. Yeah, have opportunity.
Alhamdulillah. Today we are staying in United Arab Emirates, and United Arab Emirates is one of the best country in the world from the safety and security. The rules is very easy, eco-friendly also as your vision, and also our visionary leaders who support the COP28, which make our life more better and safe also. The security of this country which help us to live with our family, and we know it will be everything 100% safe and under control. Alhamdulillah. Smart government. Today we can apply for anything from our mobile. It's very easy. No need to run everywhere, and to save our time for more in business. What's your message to the UAE government and to the UAE leaders? What you will say to them today?
We really get amazing. They set up a very, very good system, and they make the country, this nation, continuously success. Yeah, and then growing up very fast. And then again, I want to say they keep equal opportunity for all nationality. We are really happy to be running a startup company, to living here, to have very good safety society. We appreciate for that. Yeah, we want to say thank you for this country's leader. Yeah, to give us very good system and opportunity. Yeah, this is the message for them. Yeah.
Thank you, Khalid, Wang. It was our pleasure to meet you today.
Shukran.
And inshallah, my best wishes for you and for your family and for your team who work with you to be one of the leaders from United Arab Emirates to the world, inshallah.
Shukran.
Thank you very much, and we wish for you all the best.
دفوتها لها غير وترحبهم